Baby, finally got some mufflers. It's a Flowmaster Super 10. You know, um, yeah, man, this is what I decided to go with. I watched a lot of videos online. This is just a quick update video, by the way. And I just like the sound of everything. I've seen a lot of videos, and I'm like, I'm gonna go with this, for the price and everything. One thing I will say right off the bat, though, it is pretty small. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but um, it should work. So, anyways, I'm gonna make a video in a couple days. Not a couple days, but as soon as I get this put on, I'll make a video, update everything, let you guys know how it sounds, all that good stuff. But I'm just gonna quickly unbox it. Like I said, it's pretty small. It's a lot smaller than I thought. But, anyways, open this bad boy. I'll put it down for a second. All right, opened it. It's the one I went with. I got it off Amazon for like 60 something, 65 or so. So yeah, it's a double, I guess, dual exhaust thing. Yeah, it is very, very, very small, man. Like it's kind of hard to think that it's gonna do anything, but hopefully it doesn't quiet it down too much. I really bought it mainly because of the tone, because like there's a way the Flowmaster sounds, and like, man, I really like that sound. I want that on my car, so I mean, I don't think it's gonna quiet it down a lot because like it's so small. Like, look at my hands, just for scale. I mean, I got big hands, but still. Well, yeah, I'm gonna put this on as soon as possible, and I'll update you guys. All right, peace.